Additionally, we've, just as an exercise for a part of town, developed mapping of the utility laterals, utility hookups for each house and property in part of Wilder Estates, and this is just a demonstration of the location of sewers, sewer inlets, and utility laterals, water, sewer, and stormwater laterals for each of the houses in this area. And again, this is a study that we've done in the Wilder Estates neighborhood, just as a demonstration of what possibilities there are for analyses. So zooming in shows this. This is just a demonstration of the data sets that we've developed and are available, but there really are endless possibilities for asking questions and inquiring about these data sets. Let's see, another. This is a map that illustrates a small project that I looked at a few months ago, which shows the elevations where whites and then browns and reds are higher elevations and greens and blues are lower elevations in the Wilder Estates neighborhood. This one it shows the direction of drainage. The expected drainage patterns are shown in blue lines, and the watershed area, which drains to the newly refurbished culvert under Wilder Road, its drainage area is shown in hatching. This is another thing GIS can do. It can do a watershed analysis, a drainage area analysis, and answer some questions that one might have. Another finished product that we have is a map of our disc golf course, and this shows the tees, so to speak, of which each hole may have more than one, and the goals or baskets for the disc golf course, which is in the back side, the south side of the town hall park. This has been a successful map, and it's been used by quite a number of people, especially useful being on top of an air photo base map. So this one is a finished product. Might as well mention this one because it shows up every time I close. One project which is just beginning is some work on capturing historical information, where roads and houses used to be, what the properties used to be in the town, and I have a variety of historical maps that I've scanned in with our large format scanner and working on integrating these into GIS so that we can overlay them on the map of today. Another image that demonstrates that illustrates a project that I worked on is a scenario or layout of the new softball field in the back of Town Hall Park, and this shows the cut area, the infield area, the foul lines, and where they would extend, and what the distances are from the intersection of the foul lines, home plate, to other features in the park, such as the entry road and the corner of the existing field. So this was a very simple analysis, but it allowed us to get a visual of what the layout of the field might look like, and if there would be any interference from existing features to the new field. This additionally illustrates the variety of drainage characteristics in the park, which you can see by the different shading and colors of the grass surface. Here's a draft map, and it's very incomplete at this time, but progressing. This is a map that's intended to be a handout or a map or something that can be distributed on the website that shows the locations of recreational opportunities in the town of Parma. And I have many more planned to be added to this. So far we have the new DEC lands, the wildlands, the Town Hall Park, and the Rec Center. There's many more opportunities for recreation that I'll symbolize and map on this. I think this will be a nice product to highlight the resources available in the town. Here's a map that's also a draft, this one proves to be a fairly difficult one to symbolize and to show, but the goal of this one is to have a trail map on an air photo base that can be mounted on the stand near the trailhead to the nature trails in the back of Town Hall Park. And this one is hard to decide how to designate and denote the trails. I've got several ideas working on improving this. I've also located and roughly mapped all of the cemeteries that are in Town Hall, or the town of Parma, in the town of Parma. These are the cemeteries that we have, and historical buffs and genealogy types do find this type of thing very interesting. Proves to be another way that we can highlight what exists in our town. And I've shown just one example, that we can insert a photograph of each feature as well as showing its location. This is a work in progress. This is an example of an analysis that I did a while ago, which shows all of the parcels in our town which could conceivably be declared or be zoned as PDSR, Planned Development Senior Residential. And this was a surprising analysis. It shows how widely dispersed and numerous the parcels are that are of sufficient size and have appropriate zoning and other things to conceivably be named as to conceivably receive a PDSR zoning overlay. And I believe those are all of the examples. If you have any questions, I believe that I will have included a business card inside of the CD that this was on, and I'd be delighted to have anybody contact me. Thank you.